The Samsung Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus have officially arrived. This year, Samsung has fully embraced a unified design, bringing a cleaner, more premium look across the entire family. Today, we're comparing all 4 retail colors and 2 online exclusives. Since these Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus are identical in everything but size, this is your one-stop guide to picking the perfect shade for both. Today, we're doing a full color comparison of the retail lineup and the online exclusives. Let's dive in. Samsung is launching 4 main colors that you can find at any retail store or carrier worldwide. From left to right, Cobalt Violet. This is the 2026 hero color. It's a sophisticated, muted purple that feels incredibly premium. Sky Blue, a fresh, airy pastel that really pops under natural light. White, Samsung refined the finish this year. It's a much brighter, cleaner cloud white than previous generations. Black, a deep, matte finish that feels more professional than ever. Now, if you want something a bit more rare, there are 2 special colors available only at Samsung.com. Silver Shadow, a luxurious industrial gray that's more subtle than chrome. Pink Gold, a warm, metallic tone that's a fan favorite returning from previous years. The biggest visual upgrade this year is the color match frame. Unlike last year, the frame now perfectly matches the back glass, creating a seamless monolith look. Also, take a look at the front. Even though the bezels are still black, they are thinner than ever, and those colored frames create a beautiful halo effect when you're looking at the screen. Which of these is your favorite? Is it the bold Cobalt Violet or the classic black? Let me know in the comments. Check the link in the description for our full deep dive article on Tech ARP. Please share this video with anyone planning to upgrade to the S26 or S26 Plus, and hit that subscribe button to support our work. Thanks for watching.